I'm Steve Smart with Billet Badges. We're a manufacturer of all different types of custom emblems with whatever the customer wants, whether they want to rename their vehicle or reproduce something that they can't get anymore, or add whatever kind of custom touch they want to their vehicle. Everything is CNC machined from solid billet aluminum. It's all painted with PPG automotive grade paint. We can do multiple finishes, whether anodized, polished, brushed, powder coated, whatever kind of finish you're looking to have done. Add that unique touch to your ride to make it your own. If you have a vehicle with your broken badges, you can send them to us. We can scan them and remake them out of billet aluminum